Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. So I welcome you all to the legal segment where I discuss important landmark case laws, which could be very important for you people, and it's important to know the important precedents. Ultimately, you would be using the same precedents to support your case in the court, even for the academics purpose and even for the competitive examinations. So let's start with the first case. So this particular judgment was passed by the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court, saying that a compelling a wife to discontinue studies is cruelty and it's a ground for divorce. So Section 13. So we all know that we do have family laws, Mohammedan laws, which deals with all those things, and Section 13 deals with the mutual divorce. So let's see what exactly the court emphasized and what the court ruled out. So Madhya Pradesh High Court on Thursday said the same thing, that cruelty, mental cruelty, which constitutes a good ground for divorce under Hindu Marriage Act, just now I mentioned. The bench of Justice Vivek Arashia and Justice Gajendra Singh granted divorce to woman appellant whose husband and in-laws had prevented her from continuing education after class 12th. So now you can use this particular knowledge anywhere you want. That saying that, see, there is new ground which was recently held by the Honorable High Court. So the court said that apex court facet of life is considered an integral part of right to life under Article 21. So basically, education comes under the ambit of Article 21 of Constitution of India. That's what the court said. That's the whole summary of the judgment. I'm just saving your time. Even if you want to read, please do give a read to the judgment and read it very carefully. Because, see, just now I mentioned Section 13 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, compelling the wife to discontinue her studies or creating such an atmosphere that she is put in a position not to continue her studies is equivalent to destroy her dreams in the beginning of their marital life, forcing her to live with a person who is neither educated nor eager to improve himself certainly amounts to mental cruelty. We hold that it constitutes a ground for divorce under Section 13(1)(a). So that's it, and we'll look into the with judgment. So this is the judgment copy. They have removed the name. So you can go to the official website of Madhya Pradesh High Court and you can put the first appeal number 377 of 2020. So it almost took 5 years to announce the judgment. And this is the particular judgment which I was talking about. And you can see 24 paragraphs is there. It's very small judgment. So that's it. So education, it comes under the ambit of Article 21 of Constitution of India. That was the whole summary of the judgment. And the second point being, mental cruelty is another ground for the divorce. Now, Bombay High Court sends a man to civil prison for not paying maintenance to wife and kids. You must be knowing that in CRPC section 125 deals with the maintenance, and I think under the same section he was sent to the jail. Let's see what exactly happened. So, the Bombay High Court recently sentenced a doctor to 6 months in civil prison for refusing to pay maintenance to his wife and two children despite multiple court orders. So, now it's very clear that if you don't follow the court orders, the court will definitely take a strict action against you. And that person, willfully he disobeyed the command, he disobeyed the judgment of the court, order of the court, and he did not respect the rule of law, and for the same reason he was sent to the jail. And 35,000 per month was the amount which he was supposed to give to the wife and for his two daughters. However, he refused to pay the same amount, and the consequences, you can see that he was sent for 6 months to the civil prison, not the criminal prison, it's just a civil prison. And this is the judgment copy. Here you can see the case name, Mr. Manish Baburao Ganvir versus Sangeeta Manisha Ganvir. Family Court Appeal and number 95 2015. So contempt petition, obviously. So you must be knowing that contempt petition was filed by the Mrs. Sangita, that his husband, her husband, he's not paying the amount of money, 35,000 rupees, which was fixed by the court, and person denied, and he was sent to the civil prison. That was a whole summary of this particular judgment, and it is very important to know that what will happen if you don't follow the court order or court judgment. So this is the judgment copy. You can get it from the bar and bench. Moving ahead, data privacy and dating apps. It's a mismatch. Wow. It's a very catchy tag, I would say. So Hinge, Bumble, Tinder, you must be knowing that this all or are the dating apps. So you must be knowing that Indian users spend 31 million more on dating apps compared to previous years. So yeah, see, India is a country, we have 140 cr plus population. Out of 140 cr we have 60 to 80 cr young people. Their age is between 18 to 25, so obviously they pay a lot to the for the premium subscription of all those dating apps. But the thing is, they are not respecting our privacy. How is that? I'll tell you. So the moment you download all this dating app, it becomes mandatory for you to post at least 3 to 4 pictures of yours to verify that whether you're a person or a bot. So in order to do that, you give permission to that particular application to the whole folder which is present in your device, and that's how they infringe your privacy. So the legal framework, you must be knowing that we have two laws with regard to cyber law. See, cyber law is my specialization, so I know it very well. IT Act and DPDPA, which was recently introduced by the legislation, and some of the rules and sections of DPDPA has not come into the effect because of certain discrepancies. And section 5 and 6 of DPDPA talks about consent primary basis for processing an individual's personal data. So also section 7 of DPDP permits for legitimate use in certain situations, data collecting by dating apps. So the number of data they are collecting, what kind of data they're collecting, with regards to what, and what specifically they will do with that data, no one knows. So data privacy issues, they could misuse your data. They could sell to the third party your data in a millions. They can make millions out of that. Unauthorized data use, you will not know anything, and they could do anything they want with your data. That's how they do earn money from those sources. And data breach, I don't have to tell you that data breach is happening nowadays a lot. I recently read an article somewhere that every quarter we are losing 20 to 30 cr just because of the data breach. So that's very important, that if you are my first suggestion would be, please focus on your career and stay away from those dating app. Even if you, it's your personal choice. If you want to download this dating app, please do read the terms and conditions which they are imposing on you. So moving forward, who will be the next woman judge of Supreme Court? Now it's a very trending topic because various high court judges are lined up. So Supreme Court currently functioning with 32 judges, only two whom are women. So proportion, so the ratio is very less, and there are currently two vacancies in the top court, which will come down to one if recent collegium recommendation to elevate Justice Joy Malia Bakchi is cleared by the central government. By the end of this year, the number of vacancies will rise to four, and with the retirements of Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Abhay S. Oka Bela Trivedi in the months of May and June. With this retirements, there will be only one woman judge in the Supreme Court, Justice B.V. Nagaratna, who is slated to become the first woman judge, Chief Justice of India. So let's see who becomes the next woman judge, and we'll have to wait for that because various judges are lined up as per their timelines and as per the retirement age. So last news, National Law University to be set up in the Jammu and Kashmir. So you must be knowing that Jammu and Kashmir recently, the Chief Minister of Jammu JNK, during the budget session, he announced that they would be opening NLU at Jammu and Kashmir, and it's a good thing. And they have allocated 50 cr for the development of JNK and LU. That's a very good thing. It would definitely encourage more people to uh, go for the law field. And I do believe that NLU does provide a quality, but again, it's not about NLU, it's about you, how you approach your career, how seriously you take your career. And it doesn't matter whether you have studied from NLU or you're from not NLU, because ultimately, all it matters is your experience and knowledge. That's it. So just keep two things in your mind: experience and knowledge. That's it. So stay tuned for more videos. Share with your friends, and do like and subscribe for more videos. So thank you so much.